Hello friends, today we are going to learn about fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a number representing a part of an object or a group of objects. Okay, for example, take a cake. We make 5 parts in this. Okay, so here each of the part of cake represent 1 by 5. So here 5 represent all parts of the cake and 1 is represent a part of this cake. Okay. So here 1 is numerator, 5 is this denominator. Okay. If we add 3 parts of the cake, how to represent these 3 parts out of 5 parts? So that is 3 by 5. So here 3 parts out of 5 parts we add in this cake. How many parts remaining there? 2 parts. So we represent 2 parts 2 by 5. Okay. So here 2 and 3 are numerators and 5 is denominator. Okay. Next, let us learn types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A fraction that is whose numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 3 by 5, 6 by 7, 8 by 9. Okay, here numerators 3, 6, 8 are lesser than denominators 5, 7, 9. Okay, next improper fraction. Improper fraction means a fraction whose numerator is equal or more to the denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 6 by 5. Okay. So here numerators are greater than denominators. The value of any proper fraction is less than 1. Okay. So for example, take 3 by 5. Here divisor is 5 and dividend is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So we put a comma at right side. So we get 0. 5 6 is 30. Here 0.6 is less than 1. So the value of 3 by 5 is 0.6 and this 0.6 is less than 1. Okay. So from this we conclude that the value of any proper fraction is less than 1. Okay. Next, improper fraction. The value of any improper fraction is greater than 1. Okay. For example, take 3 by 2. Here divisor is 2 and dividend is 3. So 2 ones are 2. Remainder 1. Put a comma at right side. So here we get 0. 2 5s are 10. 0. See here 1.5 is greater than 1. So the value of 3 by 2 is 1.5 and that is greater than 1. Okay. So the value of any improper fraction is greater than 1. Okay. Next, mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 1 by 3. So here 2 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Here 2 is whole number, 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. Okay. So we can also change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So let us see how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We should multiply 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6 and add this 6 to the numerator. That means 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So here numerator is 7 and denominator is 3. So 7 by 3 is an improper fraction. We can convert like this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Next, like and unlike fractions. So What is like fractions? Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. So like fractions examples 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3. So these fractions are called like fraction. Why? Because here denominators are same but numerators are different. Okay. So fractions with the same denominators are like fractions. Okay. Next to unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. So unlike fractions. For example, 3 by 2, 5 by 6, 7 by 3 and 1 by 8. Okay. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Why? Because here 8, 2, 6, 3 are different denominators. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay. Next, to add two fractions. For example, take 5 by 6 and 7 by 6. Okay, here denominators are same but numerators are different. So at this situation we should add only the numerators. So 5 plus 7 is 12 and put the denominator as it is. Okay, so here you can also cancel this 6 1 ja 6 2 ja, that is 2 by 1. That means answer is 2. Okay. Next, if the denominators are different, how to add any two fractions? So take any two fractions, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4. So here 3 and 4 different denominators. At this situation, how to add these two fractions? First of all, we should take LCM of these two numbers. Here 3 and 4 are two consecutive numbers. So the LCM of any two consecutive numbers is its product. So that means 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So here denominator is 12. Okay. Then divide 12 with 3. Okay. So 12 by 3 means 4. And multiply the result with 2. Okay. 4 into 2 means 8. Okay. So here the sign is plus. Next, divide 12 with 4. Okay. 12 by 4 means 3. So multiply the result with 5. Okay. So 5 into 3 means 15. 15 plus 8. 23 by 12. So answer is 23 by 12. Okay. How to subtract a fraction from another fraction? So take any two fractions, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So here 3 and 5 are two consecutive odd numbers. Okay. So the LCM of two consecutive odd numbers is its product. So 5 into 3 means 15. So 15 is denominator. Okay. So here divide 15 with 5. So 15 by 5 means 3. Multiply 3 and 2. That means 6. So sign is minus and divide 15 with 3. So result is 5. Multiply 5 and 1. Okay. So 5 into 1, 5. So answer is 6 minus 5 is equals to 1 by 15. Answer is 1 by 15. Okay. Next, how to multiply two fractions? Take 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. So product of any two fraction is multiplication of numerator and denominators. Okay. So 5 into 8, 40. 7 into 9, 63. Okay. So answer is 40 by 63. Next, how to divide any fraction with another fraction? Take 9 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, so how to divide 9 by 5 by 2 by 3? So here 9 by 5, take the reciprocal of 2 by 3. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 means 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 2. Okay, so multiply with this reciprocal. 9 3 is 27, 5 2 is 10. So answer is 27 by 10. Okay, what is reciprocal? We multiply any two numbers. If the result is 1, then the numbers are reciprocals to each other. For example, take 2. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Why? Because when we multiply 2 and 1 by 2, the result is 1. Then we can say that these two numbers are reciprocals to each other. Okay, for example, take another fraction 3 by 5. So the reciprocal of minus 3 by 5 is minus 5 by 3. Okay, so when we cancel this, minus into minus plus, that is equals to plus 1. Here the result is 1. So minus 3 by 5 and minus 5 by 3 are reciprocal to each other.